The Passive Income Guru here, and this video tutorial is about how to remove the bot from your charts and pause the bot. Right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to log into your VPS. So please pause the video, go and log into your VPS now. Once done, you can come back to this video and remove the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to remove the bot off the charts and close our charts manually. So tomorrow there is, or on Saturday and Sunday, there's a political announcement which could cause unnecessary volatility. So I'm going to close out, I'm going to remove the bot from my charts. So you can do this on all your charts except on the equity protector if you're running the equity protector separately to and it's not included in your bot. So over here, what you do is that you click on the chart that has the bot, and you just right click onto the chart and click Expert Advisors and click on Remove. So it's 3 steps. So let's do that again together. So you right click on the chart, you click Expert Advisors. Well, mine's not there anymore because I've removed it, and then you click on Remove from Chart, and as you can see, the bot has now been removed from the chart. So let's go on to the next chart and do that on the next chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the chart, I'm going to click on Expert Advisors and then Remove from Chart. So go and go and do those 3 steps. And once you've done those 3 steps and removed the bot from your chart, you can come back to this video and resume the video. So that you need to be doing this on all of your charts, on the charts that you want the bot removed. Okay, and then how you close out trades is if you can't see your trades nicely, you just hover your mouse over this horizontal line until you get the parallel line with the 2 arrows, and then you can left mouse click down and then drag that line up, which will then extend this area over here. So I want to close out anything with a 0.01, anything with a 0.18. I'm waiting for those trades to close out. And when they close out, I will then remove the bot from the chart. So I'm going to now close out this chart. Now what you do is that you just mouse over the X and you click on the X button. Now what will happen is, if you've never done this before, is that you'll get a little window that says, are you sure you want to close out the trade? And there's a little checkbox on that window. You click on the checkbox and then you click OK, and then the trade will then be removed. It should be removed from your trading section. So if it's not removed, just check it again. So as you can see, that trade is now removed. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do this by I'm going to arrange this by lot size. So as you can see, I'm trading EGP, Euro GBP. So I'm going to find the Euro GBP chart. Let's go and find that now. Euro GBP, there it is, and the bot is still trading on this chart. Now you have to remove the bot first before you close out the trade, because if you close out the trade first and the bot is still running, a new trade will open. So the first step is always to remove the bot from the chart. So how do we remove the bot from the chart? We right click and then click on Expert Advisors and say Remove from Chart, and you can see that the bot has now been removed off the chart. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to click on the trade for that chart, and you can click on the X and you'll see that that trade has now disappeared. Now a new trade won't start because the bot has been removed from their chart, so we're in the same position over here. Right, so the next thing to do is to check out the GBP USD. So we're going to go to the GBP USD chart, if I can find it. There it is, GBP USD. So that is where my equity protector is, and here is where the bot is. So I'm going to right click on the chart, I'm going to click on Expert Advisors, and I'm going to say Remove, and then I'm going to close out the trade on that for that chart. The next one to do is GBP JPY. And I've got 2 GBP USDs, so I'll just close that one as well. So the next one is GBP JPY, and that is the daily chart, which is where the equity protector is. Here is where my bot is. So I'm going to right click. Let's right click, click on Expert Advisors and Remove from Chart, and then I'm going to click on the X button. Okay, and now I'm waiting for all these trades to close out and a new trade to start at 0.01. That way I know that those trades have closed. I haven't lost that much money. So I'm going to, if now for me, the announcement is later on tomorrow at 12 o'clock. Sorry, on the weekend. I'm not sure what time it is, but I think it's pertinent that if there is a political announcement, you remove your bot from the chart at least 1 day or 2 days before the announcement, because that is when the volatility really starts, and bot can get a little bit out of control 1 or 2 days before the announcement. So I recommend that you shut down the bot 1 or 2 days before and leave the bot off 1 or 2 days after the announcement, so that the market can settle and you don't run into a problem with your equity. When you know that there is a political announcement, the recommendation is to reset up your bot on a 0.01 lot size. So what that'll do is it'll allow your open trades, okay, to close out in a profit. And then when the new trade opens at 0.01, that is when you can remove the bot from your chart, so that, no point closing out the trades when you've got big trades open, unless, of course, you're a couple of hours away from the announcement and you're getting a little bit of political jitters, which is understandable. So that's what I recommend that you do. Okay, that's the end of the video. Please go and remove your bot from your charts now, and make sure that there is no smiley face here on the charts that you have removed the bot from. And also, if you do have open trades, please remember to just remove your charts, remove the bot off those charts at least between 12 and 24 hours before the political announcement starts, and then just close out your trades, whatever's open, in a loss. So as you can see here on my account, I'm down $17, and if these trades don't close in positive by 1 o'clock today for me, that's a suitable time frame for me, then I'm just going to remove the bots from all my charts and close out all my trades and make an $18 loss for the day, which is fine, because it's better than losing 50% of my equity or 100% of my equity. So rather trade safely, have good money management rather than poor money management. Protect capital at all costs and trade safely. So have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.